Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Talks with Sai. Cloud computing is everywhere, but if you've ever been confused by terms like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, or serverless, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain each of these with real-life examples that anyone can understand, even if you're just starting your tech journey. Let's get started. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Imagine you're renting an empty apartment. You get the basic structure, the building, water, and electricity, but everything else is up to you. You bring the furniture, set it up, and take care of the place. That's what IaaS is in cloud computing. With IaaS, you rent virtual machines, storage, and networking over the internet. You choose the operating system, install software, and manage everything except the physical hardware. Example, Amazon EC2 or Microsoft Azure virtual machines. You launch a server, set it up the way you want, and run your application on it. It gives you full control, but you also handle most of the responsibility. PaaS, platform as a service. Now let's say you rent a fully furnished apartment. You don't need to buy furniture or do any setup, just walk in and start living. That's PaaS. The platform gives you everything you need to build and run applications, without worrying about servers, operating systems, or maintenance. Example, Google App Engine, Heroku, or Azure App Services. You simply upload your code, and the platform handles the rest, scaling, monitoring, and security. It's perfect for developers who want to focus on writing code instead of managing infrastructure. SaaS, software as a service. Let's take it a step further, staying in a hotel. You don't worry about furniture, cleaning, or cooking, everything is provided for you. That's SaaS. It's a ready-made software you access through the internet. No setup, no updates, everything is managed by the provider. Examples, Gmail, Google Docs, Zoom, Salesforce. You just log in and use the service. It's ideal for end users or businesses that need software without the hassle. Serverless computing. Now here's a term that confuses a lot of people, serverless. Despite the name, there are servers behind the scenes. But the difference is, you don't manage them. You only write code, and the cloud provider runs it for you when needed. Think of it like ordering food from an app. You don't cook or clean, you just eat, and pay only when you order. That's serverless. You write small pieces of code called functions, and they run only when triggered by an event, like a file upload or a button click. Examples, AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, Google Cloud Functions. It's great for automation, PaaS, and small services, and you only pay when your code actually runs. Let's quickly summarize. IaaS is like renting an empty apartment, you manage everything. PaaS is like a furnished apartment, you manage only your app. SaaS is like staying in a hotel, everything's managed for you. Serverless is like ordering food, just write the code and the rest is handled automatically. Each of these has a purpose depending on how much control or convenience you need. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand the different types of cloud computing models. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning tech. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. I reply to everyone. Stay tuned for more tech content right here on Tech Talks with Sai. See you in the next video.